नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं एशियन न्यूज़ केबल। और आप लोगों ने लोगों से तो बहुत मिला होगा, लेकिन आज हम मिलाएंगे आपको जीते जागते रोबोट से, जिसका नाम है भारती, और जो ना सिर्फ कर सकती है आपसे बात, बल्कि कर सकती है आपके सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स को सेफ भी, क्योंकि ये जानकारी रखती है साइबर सिक्योरिटी की। तो जानिए क्या है भारती की डिटेल्स और कैसे ये आपके सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स को रख सकती है सेफ, सिर्फ एशियन न्यूज़ केबल पर।
This is an AI-based robot, and we call it like Bharti, and it is locally data-based robot. Okay, and what I meant by that, you can generate any answer of your query by locally from the machine. So it's not like a chat GPT, which requires a mini internet connection. So your data privacy is like still there. So what? So
It doesn't need.
it doesn't need any internet connections. You just like feed any of your data. Like for example, I wanted like a human teacher. Okay, like she said, I wanted like a human teacher. Now, if I trained her like if I ingested a 10th or 12th class PDF, like I have like 12 chapters in 10th class. I trained all the 12 chapters as a PDF to this machine. It will take like about 2 to 3 minutes to just learn them. And then after that, you can ask any questions regarding that 10th question or 10th syllabus. Like for example, give me 10 questions about deforestation. So she will give you 10 questions instantly within a matter of seconds about the topic of deforestation. And that is even, I think, next to impossible for the human to do it in a matter of seconds. Like for a particular topic to generate us so many questions, like it is still difficult. So today's topic is cybersecurity. So we have trained it as a cybersecurity. We have ingested like cybersecurity books as a PDF
For
to it.
ChatGPT to work, it needs internet.
It needs internet, plus it works on a internet-based data that is already there. Okay, and but we are giving that will be your data, your local data. Okay, like it could be any data. For example, I'm a businessman, so I have a GST bill like from 10 years.
So it
10
is
years of
good
GST.
for your official
Where you
purpose.
want a data privacy protection. I think that is the perfect. And the software is perfect. We are selling it to the army. Okay, and still it is under development. So अभी ये जो आप देख रहे हैं, no, still under the process. हाँ नहीं, under the process, yeah. And we'll be like dispatching it by the end of this month. Yeah, because this is not the actual product. If I say, we got to know just yesterday that today is like the conference. So we just made it ready कि कपड़े वगैरह उसको पहना दिए, ढक दिया सब कुछ. The actual product is still there in the company. We have not exposed it yet. So that is the actual product. So which we are going to dispatch. So it will be hopefully dispatched by the end of this month.
मतलब ये कह सकते हैं एक बिल्डिंग के अंदर में ये काम करेगा,
Definitely.
किसी एक
ऑफिस premises में काम करेगा.
premises के बाहर नहीं काम
बिल्कुल. Only with your data. Yeah, it can work if you want.
Internet is required, not internet.
Not internet. You can give like intranet, but still, sorry. You can give intranet, but hopeful, as we have made this machine, this is only an offline machine. Okay, for now it is offline. You can give an internet access, then it work like a ChatGPT, a normal ChatGPT do, and you can ask any general question that you can ask a ChatGPT. So it will then work like that.
Answer.
Yeah, it will answer that. So yeah, for now, we'll see what we can now like more put into the things. We'll see in the future.
The contract हो गया कि होने वाला है?
Contract is done. Contract is done.
हो गया?
Yeah.
Oh wow. What is the name of the
See, the company name is Skyro IT Technology. We have got Skyro IT Technology. So it's short for science, robotics, and IT. SCIROIT. Skyro IT Technology. Yeah, अरे कार्ड गाड़ी में रखा है. कार्ड गाड़ी में है. I'll just share you my number. Please. So we have got this machine also, and currently we are selling this machine to the army. I'll just tell you, and this is the data monitoring device, not a data monitoring actually. This specific traffic monitoring device. अब you've got an Android phone or iOS phone, okay, and an Android phone has got many applications, that is user-defined application, and many of the applications that are default applications, that are installed by the company, like Messages app, Google app, any that app. Now, all those applications are supposed to send data to their respective server when they got an active internet connection. That is the theory. See, now when you connect your device with this machine, what it does, it will capture your all data.
I'll
Okay.
interview you again. This is not my interview. This is my interview.
Okay, so it will capture your data, not capture, it will monitor your data, that where your application is sending the traffic. So you will get the lat long, the company name, the organization name, which app is using which IP. And so for the army that is a major problem. And if you have any band app installed in your device, so it will also detect that. So that is the machine that we are currently selling, and we have sold also to corporate. So in a corporate we have sell 10 to 15 machines, and in the army, now we have got 40 to 50 machines in the army. All there in Northern Command, Southern
You're a
Command.
startup?
Yeah, we are a startup.
When did you start?
2022.